to all my lovely people. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I bring something very special for you guys in this video, guys. Please, I want you to pay attention to this video because it's a treatment that I'm about to do for the first time. As you can see the picture, I don't have no makeup on, and this is how my face looked before. And this is my first time I'm about to try this treatment for my face. Okay, it's aloe vera. Okay, it's aloe vera I get from the market, and I'm about to use some lime as well. I'm about to use some cinnamon ground powder, and I'm about to use some pure honey. Okay, some people they simply do it with aloe vera. Some people only do it with aloe vera and lime. Some people do it with aloe vera with cinnamon, but I plan to mix all those four ingredients because they are powerful ingredients, guys. For example, the aloe vera has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties that can help control and reduce acne causing bacteria, guys. For example, back in my country, when I have a family who got burned or who has a cut, they would use aloe vera and they would put it in a cloth, and they tied it around the cut or the burn, and it would get healed in a couple of days. Yep, it's a very powerful ingredient. Some people they just eat it just like that. Okay, they just eat it just like that. Some people they use it for the corona, guys. It's powerful. It's an anti-inflammatory ingredient. If you have inflammation, therefore you can use aloe vera to treat it, and they use it as well to it's been used as well for acne. Okay, and there are these other type of ingredients. They studies have found that they have the same effect. For example, the cinnamon, the honey, the lime. These are powerful ingredients that they normally use to treat acne. I mean, sorry. So that's why I don't want to leave nothing out. For example, the lime. You guys know the lime or lemon. You guys know, for example, some people when they wake up early in the morning, they would squeeze some lemon into a water and drink it because it's purified dirt. It purifies your body. It detoxifies your body. That's why when people use it, they use it to make juice, or you use it in your skin to purify dirt and to remove acne causing bacteria, guys. So stay tuned because I'm about to make the treatment right now, which can be used for your face. Okay, for your face. And I'm gonna, in that same video, I'm gonna show where I use the rest of the aloe vera for my hair as well. Okay, guys, this is my aloe vera. Sorry, it's not really fresh. I get it from at the store. So this is my aloe vera. Okay, my aloe vera, and this is my lime, cinnamon ground powder, raw honey. Okay, raw honey, and what else? And then this is a 1 tablespoon. Okay, 1 tablespoon. So guys, first of all, we're gonna use 1 tablespoon of pure honey. Okay, 1 tablespoon of pure honey, 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera, and then a 1/4 tablespoon of cinnamon, and then a tablespoon of lime juice. Okay, guys. So first of all, I'm going to cut my aloe vera. Okay, I'm going to cut my aloe vera. I'm going to cut it because I'm going to use the rest for to detangle my hair. Okay, so okay, now you cut the side. You cut the side, guys. Okay, then you remove the top skin. Okay, this is my little blender thing. Okay, so look, that's it. You put it right there. Okay, Okay, make sure I don't want to leave nothing out because I need the juice. Okay, I could put. Okay guys, I'm done. This is my aloe vera gel. Okay, it's my aloe vera gel. I'm gonna blend it so I can get the juice. Okay, there you go. Okay. All right, look at this. All right, all right, all right. Okay, guys. Should I use that little thing? Okay, this is where I'm gonna store it. Oh, remember, no, let me use that instead. Okay, I'm gonna strain it. And this. Oh, let me see. I hope. Oh, guys, it's not. Let me see. Oh no, guys, it's not. Look, it cannot strain. Okay, so anyway, that's okay. Okay, sorry, this is my first time making it, so it's not straining. So I'm gonna use. Remember, I said we're gonna use 2 tablespoons. Okay, this is 1 tablespoon. We're gonna use 2 of it. Okay, we're gonna use 2 of it. Okay, it's full. That's 1, and then. Okay, this is 2. All right. This I'm gonna use it for my hair, and this is 2. And then we will use 1 tablespoon of pure honey. Okay, 1 tablespoon of pure honey. All right. And then a quarter tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Okay, remember this is 1, so I'm going to use a quarter, not half. A little. Okay, I'm going to put this because let me see. I don't think it's enough. I'm going to use a quarter. Okay. Make sure you have your quarter if you can't measure it in this. And then a quarter of lime juice. Because you don't want this to irritate your skin. I'm not gonna put much because I don't want it to irritate my skin. It's it also good to clear your skin. Okay, it gives you a glowing skin. Okay, so yep, and it removes dirt. It removes dirt from your face. Yep, it purifies your skin. Yep, lime. So guys, I'm not gonna use a lot because I don't want to irritate my skin. Is that enough? Let me see. Okay. All right. Let me get a spoon. You mix it together, guys. I'm scared. I hope I don't get. I'm gonna see what this thing do to my face because I feel a little scared. I don't want to break. I hope it don't break my face, guys. Because they make it before and they say it's very powerful, so I want to see if this is true. I'm gonna be making it for a week. I'm gonna apply it in my face for a week. It looked like they didn't give me enough, but anyway, it gave me enough for today. So okay, let's see how this thing look. Let's see how this thing look. Okay guys, I changed position. I come in my living room so the video can be clear. Look at my face. Just to make sure, this is the before. Y'all see that? Okay. Because I'm gonna be making I'm gonna apply this in my face for a week. I'm going to apply it for a week on my face to see. That's it, guys. 30 minutes. I want to add some more. I want to make sure. Okay. Okay, guys. 30 minutes. I'm coming back. 30 minutes. Guys, while I'm waiting for this thing to stay in my face for 30 minutes, but this is where I leave the rest for tonight. Maybe I'm gonna try to put it on tonight for a week to see if there's any change. And this is the rest of my aloe vera juice. I'm gonna use it for to detangle my hair. And I'm gonna use it to detangle my hair, guys. I love to use my thread because it softens my hair and it stretch my hair as well. So every time I wash my hair, they shrink. Okay, they shrink. So okay. You guys can find these on my website. I'm gonna put the link under this video. A whited comb, a spray bottle, shower cap, and then with 2 clips. This is a package. You could find you will find it on my website for your hair. And don't forget to visit it so you can support us. Thank you. Okay, now I spray my hair first. Make sure you massage your scalp so blood can circulate properly. It allows your hair to grow as well when you massage your scalp. With water. This is the aloe vera. This is it. Okay, guys, I'm done. And keep in mind those little aloe vera gel. They will, because I blend mine, but they will come off with the whited comb. Okay, they will come off with the whited comb, so I don't really worry about them right now. So yeah, so they will come off. So yes, guys, and I'm gonna leave it for 30 minutes. I'm gonna leave this aloe vera in my hair for 30 minutes, and I'm gonna wash my hair afterwards. I'm gonna wash my hair and I'm gonna wash my face. But my face now, I said it was for 30 minutes, so I'm gonna leave it for more because I have to leave my hair for 30 minutes so that let's say I'm gonna leave this in my face for 1 hour and the aloe vera in my hair for 30 minutes. Wow, look at this glowing skin. I know it's not gonna work for the same day, but guys, look at, I already had my glowing skin. Look at this. I already had my glowing skin. I don't use no soap. I don't use I mean, when I say I don't use no soap, I mean I don't use no bleaching soap, guys. I don't use no bleaching soap. Y'all see my skin? Yep, it's already glowing. It's just my face. Every time I use soap or makeup in my face, like it break out my face. So right now I'm trying to stay all natural, guys. I'm trying to stay with my natural hair. I don't wear weave since in 2014. I never wear no more weave, and I'm trying to never use no more makeup in my face. I just want to stay the way as I am, like stay natural. Okay, as you guys can see, I love my skin, I love myself. Just appreciate the person that God created you to be. You don't have to, you don't, the makeup is not going to make you more beautiful. Okay, as long as you're beautiful inside, and you know, you just have to be beautiful on the inside. This is the most important things. Okay, guys, remember to get your cap. Go grab your cap on my website, guys. 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Then this is what I'm about to use afterward. This is a petroleum jelly, skin protecting. It's for dryness, for minor cuts, but I'm gonna use it so that my face don't stay dry after I wash my face. I'm gonna apply this in my face, just to keep it hydrated. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm coming back.